Hey everybody, my name is Akash Inti, and I'm here to share with you today about my experience with the Partner with Anthony program. I've talked about this in a past video, and really, I was I was in the corporate world, and I wanted to change. I wanted to become an entrepreneur, an internet entrepreneur, to be able to travel the world wherever I'd like to go, to be able to send emails and make money that way, and more than anything, to live life on my own terms. When I was in the corporate world, I was working at a consulting firm and I was advising some of the world's biggest drug dealers, biotech and pharmaceutical companies. And while the work was really intellectually engaging and really challenged me mentally, I didn't really enjoy having to be there at between the hours of 9 to 5. I didn't enjoy the commute. I didn't enjoy kind of having to listen to someone else's rules. To me, it didn't make sense. They would say, "Oh, you got to be in by this time," but then the same people who said you got to be in by this time walked in whenever they wanted to. So to me, it was like, okay, you're telling me one thing, but you're doing something else. So it's not making sense to me. So I decided to leave the job, and I was like, I need to do something different. I need to do something that's aligned with me and who I am. As you can tell, not the most conventional guy. And I like that about myself. I love that about myself, is that I like seeing the world a little bit differently, and it's offered me some of the most interesting experiences this world has had to offer. But that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about the Partner with Anthony program. So I found Anthony Morrison, who's my mentor, and he has taught me the secrets of email marketing, digital marketing, how to make a presence online and become an internet entrepreneur. And the internet is a beautiful thing because we can sit anywhere in the world. So long as we've got internet connection, we can sit anywhere in the world type of way and send emails, get our name out through YouTube, as you guys are seeing right now, and to be able to promote products of others. Especially to me, it's like I don't like promoting just anyone's products. It's like I need to be a student of the product first before I decide to promote it. So with the Partner with Anthony program, I was like, okay, let me check out this guy. Let me see what he's got. I decided to jump in because I was looking for something new. I needed something to challenge me. I like a challenge, and so I was looking online and I'm like, all right, well, there's a bunch of people out there. Who am I gonna choose? One of my mentors is Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, and Jordan had mentioned in one of his webinars, he's like, oh, check out this guy, Anthony Morrison. He's been doing this thing for about 20 years. Absolutely incredible guy. So I'm like, Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, is telling me to check this out. All right, you got my attention, So I checked him out and I fell in love with the program. I saw who Anthony was. He's a very, very authentic person, and you can hear it in his voice. You can hear the way that he talks, that it's like, man, this guy really cares about me. This guy really wants me to do good. He wants me to be successful. And that's what I personally fell in love with about Anthony's program itself, was that he was so willing to trust himself to be able to convey knowledge from one person to another, that this is the right program to learn internet marketing, to learn e-commerce, to learn email marketing, to learn how to make money on your own and how to live on your own terms. So I took the plunge, and at first I was kind of skeptical. I was like, oh, I don't know. He's like, yeah, he's kind of charismatic, but I don't know. But as I went through the courses, I started seeing kind of my mindset change, and I started seeing all of the notes that I was taking. I'm like, wow, there's a very different way of thinking from being an employee to being an entrepreneur. And I noticed all of those changes slowly happening. And actually just 2 days ago, I made my first sale. And I was ecstatic. It took me 24 days to make my first sale. For some other people, they made it in the first week or so, but maybe I'm a little bit slow. I don't know. But I loved it. It juiced me. I was like, holy cow, I can make money on my own. I can make money just by sitting behind the internet and following this step-by-step program. So if this is of interest to you, click the link below. I've found so much immense value in the Partner with Anthony program, and I want to be able to give you the opportunity to learn more about it. So the link below will show you a quick video of Anthony himself, and You judge for yourself, because who am I? Just a guy in a red robe, you know, red dragon robe. Why would you listen to this guy? But at the same time, you gotta listen to what Anthony says in this video. So anyways, keep up, thrive, stay sexy.